You want to start for trade forex, but you don't know how to open your forex account. So inside this video, I'm going to teach you how you dey open your forex account, how you dey verify am. Okay, so make sure say you watch am from the beginning to the end, and make sure say you share. Okay, so now we go straight to the video. Yes guys, good morning. So after you don't click this link wey I don't send, the one wey dey in bio or this one at this group, after you don't click you dey wait. Now a page like this now dey open. You understand? This page now they open. So when this page open, you know get account. So it's not the thing what you do. You need to register with this particular broker. Okay, so you dey click on registered. Click on registered. After you click on register, now a page like this now they open. They see here sign in. Sign in now for somebody who already get account. But for you where they watch now, if you don't get account, they go to website and say create account. You see, it already there. Create account. So on that create account, these are the details and this way you need for put. Number one, you need for put the country or region of residence. If it is Salon, simply type here Sierra Leone. Okay? Like for me, I did United Arab Emirates. But you where this Salon, not just say Sierra Leone. Okay? You put Sierra Leone. Then you can, they say your email address. You need for put your active email address. Make sure say the email address where they put here. If for active, like if they send message to you, if able for receive and through the email, not put all email where you know they use. Email address where they use right now, they put. So let's say for example, you put here smart forex. Okay. You put here Smart Forex Academy, put this email address, then you need to put a password. Now you need to pay attention to this password where they put. Why you need to pay attention? Because again, law, the password for the number one, they say for the between 8 to 9 characters. 8 to 15 characters. You understand? So meaning, you password for the below. For the below 8. If you stop 8, it's not bad. So meaning you need for within put at least 8 letter or number. Number two, they say within at least one upper and one lower case, meaning one capital letter for the day, then one small letter for the day. At least one number. At least we forget one number inside the password. For the security of the password, for let it become strong. At least one special character. Special character simply means at dollar. And they can put an example for that one see. So now for example, let's say for this young account who they create for Smart Forex Academy, we password the first letter for B. Let's just say the first letter for B, capital letter S, capital S, M, A, R, T. Okay, if you want to say, they click on one side, they see this icon here. So you see what they put. You see, Smart Forex, Forex. Okay, you see, we know they get on space. Smart Forex. Okay. Now the special case, either you choose this. Now that one they be the special case at. Okay, either you choose this at. Okay. Then you need to get a number. Okay. Let's say 2, 4, 6. Now you see all the boxes they don't tick. So meaning the password is strong. You get capital letter, you get small letter, you get special case, then get number. Then they they below 8, they above 8. Okay. So now we don't put this information they don't ask you. Okay. Now they say partner code optional. Okay, left are optional. Now you click on registered. Click on registered. Now I don't take you to this other page. But remember, the password and the email address where you put is very important. Don't forget them. If you get paper and pen, write them. You understand? Before ever you continue, write them on side so you don't go forget them. Now this page you don't take it to. Okay? It's everything. Demo account, real account. Okay? So now you don't do your registration. Okay? Now what's the next thing we need for do? So just X. Okay? For now, just X. This choose trading account, just exam for now. Okay, the next thing we do now, go na Play Store. Okay, go na your Play Store. When you come na your Play Store, search for Exness. Okay, search for Exness. Search for Exness. Okay, Exness. Okay, when you search for Exness, you wait for Exness. Okay, now the apps this side they see this EX at the corner. Okay. For me, I already get them. So if you don't get them, now this side they see this update, they see for you, they say install. They install them. So when you don't install them, now when you don't install them done, okay. When you don't install them, you click on open. So after you don't install, the next thing, just click on open. Okay, the Exness app to open. Okay, you patient and learn read. Now allow Exness to send you notifications. Click on allowed. Okay. Now you see register, you see sign in. This time around, you don't already register. You know they click on register again, you just they click sign in. Okay, so now after I don't take you to this sign in, remember I be telling you say the email address and the password wey they create. Make sure say you always put am more, you know am or you sabi am. So this area here, you dey enter your email address and the password. So me own email address and my password that I can enter now. So after you enter your email address, you enter password, then you click sign in. Now it take you to a page like this. Set a PIN now to access your account quickly and securely. Meaning you need for set a PIN, okay, a code like where you open your phone. If you get password, just like where you open your phone, you can get password. So for this one also, you need for set a PIN. You understand? So it left to you, okay? For the sake of me own PIN know how they set, okay? I don't set my PIN, 6 figure. The same PIN we enter, they say re-enter your PIN again. Enter the same PIN, then you say within Exness. For you, if you give this option also, you can make am for additional thumbprint. Okay, enjoy Exness. Now you don't log into your Exness. Okay, this now your Exness account. This now the surface of your account where you don't open. Okay, but remember your account not verify it. You need to do verification. So now how you verify your account? You see down here outside they say account, trade, insights, performance, and profile. You click on profile. When you don't click on profile, if your account not verified, like for me, they see all things, they say fully verified, meaning my account have been already submit my documents and my details, my phone number, everything, my name, I don't submit everything. So if you now, your account not verified, then we'll show you an option say complete verification. If you click on verification, you go for the 3 verification, you go for verify your phone number, you put a phone number where in that they send a code to, then you put the code, you put an email, the same email, the same code to, and then you put the code, then they ask you for you submit you proof of identity, you snap you passport book, you understand? Passport book or your national ID card, you snap them. If they ask you for the back, you snap the back, you send them. If they ask you for the front, you snap the front, you send them. Your passport book or your national ID card, now one is for use, okay? But I can advise for national ID card more if you get national ID card. If you get national ID card, you get advantage. If they ask you for your proof of identity, now that same national ID card they submit. If they ask you for your proof of residence, now that same national ID card they submit. You understand? So make sure say you get your document before ever you do.